Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
State are claimed to host.
Menteri Gajalla Ukonrat ke sangma haka sandruk lalingkot ajar pausan ula syong jingalang bat ke Presiden jong ke Indian Olympic Association ke PT Usha ya ke pada penlong lingba ke video conference haringkat ke jing sakilang juga nong mikmat naga Meghalaya State Olympic Association. Haka ni jingalang Menteri rang ba ula batai benya hakmat ke Presiden jong ke Indian Olympic Association halo ke jing Kloi bat ke jing penkre jong ke jela Meghalaya ban penlong ya ke lempung ilek kai 39 National Games haus nam aja arpunyau. Menteri rang ba ula pentip bahagi saus nam beladap ke jela ke penut pisah ban shnai ke jing don kam na ke benta ke jimento jing nong ilek kai sports bakin thop ya jing shnapen bahai ke GN Sports Complex Hashilong Kadishna Gawa Ejia Stadium Hajantia bat ke PA Sangma Integrated Sports Complex Hatura bagi we ki jakaya lekai. Ulay thoru baga Shillong lapen long ki babon ki lempong lekai sports bakin thop mi ke North East Games House nam arajar poar ke South Asian Games House nam arajar Khatnrio mana ke bentalais nam kenti ke sarkar lapen long ki lempong lekai Meghalaya Games. Commissioner Jong State Sports and Youth Affairs Dr. D. Vijay Kumar ula pentip bagi jela Meghalaya keladap yasoy ke sekolah ke Indian Olympic Association House nam ajar khatpra hak ba kanong ba Shillong kan longkum kanong ba keban Pdiang ya ke lempung ilek kai bat kin thop ya ke tura bat ke juai keban penlong ke jing ilek kai per na ke benta ke National Games. Ka Presiden jong ke Indian Olympic Association kelapin pau bakan Bishar benya ban ailat ya ke jela Meghalaya na ke benta ban penlong ya ke jing ilek kai ke National Games.
But the Meghalaya then MOU on 2018. So we wanted to give it to Meghalaya and because we want to support Northeast.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will do the needful. In fact, I'm meeting Honorable Home Minister tomorrow.
I'm sure Meghalaya also will be able to contribute to the Olympic dream that Honorable Prime Minister has set, that we have bid for 2026. And I hope that we will, Meghalaya will contribute greatly into that in producing adequate athletes. So from our side, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, madam, we are fully prepared.
Very, very, very keen to do this in Meghalaya. We are pushing all aspects from infrastructure to all other related issues that are there to ensure that we are ready. In the last few years, we have invested hugely in sports and a large amount of investments have been made. Meghalaya Games now are being held on an annual basis. So there is a very, very strong push towards overall sports in our state. And we really need your blessings to make this happen. And I assure you that this will be something that the association will not regret, and we will give all that we have to make this happen.
We have spent a lot of money on sports infrastructure in the last 5 years under the guidance and leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, and we are making a lot of effort to promote sport and use it to engage our youth. Next, we are partnering with the associations, and infrastructure especially has been a huge focus. And the recently held Durand Cup was also a huge success. Now we have the infrastructure. Next. So basically, in terms of infrastructure, we are ready. We have probably 4 years ago we were not ready, but today most of our things are done or they will be completed by 25 end. Next. To host, as we discussed before, also the 39 national games which will happen in 27, and for us early 27 is the best time from the perspective of weather and from the perspective of our readiness and various other things. So I'll stop here and I'll request our Honorable Chief Minister.
Is because Northeast, of course, has a very strong love for sports, and many sports persons are coming up in this region. And an event like this would really motivate them and push them, and we will be able to see the impact of that in the years to come. So, the opportunity to really push the overall scene of sports can happen with this one Games. It's not just about Meghalaya, but it's really about the Northeast as a whole. It's the last Games were held in 2007, 2008, so that's almost about 18 years back. And we would be really happy to host this because, as I said, it would be not just an opportunity to host a game like this, but it is more importantly a chance to the sports persons, especially from the Northeast, and it will be a great motivation for them, and as I said, a great opportunity for us. So we really look forward, and we really would like to once again appeal to you as a government to give us an opportunity to host this prestigious event.